Hi guys, this is a good example of displaying an output in RPG program, pretty much like in Hello World without using a print file. So I declared a couple of variables, first and last, initialized them some values Tom and Anderson, and then I am displaying the variables first and last by using the display command. I compile the RPG program so that it can be converted into a bound RPG program. Then in the green screen environment, I am calling this program. I'm running the program. But the problem is the display screen comes and it disappears. So how can we make this screen stay? Well, this is how you can make it stay. You can first of all type strpdm and hit enter. Then you can go to work with objects. You can choose the default properties there. Once you are inside the PDM, then I want you to reissue the command call rpg dsp pgm. That's the name of the program that I want to call. Now you will be able to see the screen where all the outputs are displayed.